is literally off my deck in the lilac tree. Well, hello. Aren't you adorable? Mom and Dad are going nuts in the tree next to us. Hello. I don't know if these are the robins that I see, because the birds going nuts aren't robins, they're blackbirds. So I don't know if these are baby blackbirds. Whoa. I have no idea. They're lighter than the adults. See, now I have to learn about birds. I know, Mom and Dad. I'm not going to hurt them, I promise. There's a third one. See, there's the other one right there. See that one? That one was in the street and thankfully made its way out of the street to underneath the maples. See you later, birdie. Good luck on your flying lessons.